would you say for a guy who doesn't have money to do fun, crazy, wild things?
You don't need money. The idea that you need money is a complete fallacy. I'll tell you this now because I got rich relatively quickly. I was completely broke, and then I became a world champion fighter, and then I had this cam business. So I literally, in the space of 4 years, I went from earning a couple grand a month to hundreds of thousands a month. So I got rich very fast, and I can tell you that it makes pretty much no difference. In fact, if you make too much money, it can be detrimental because then you have the problem where you're sitting there on dates with girls and they're like, there's no way this guy would ever want to be a boyfriend to me. He just wants to use me. He has a Lambo. He has this girl. He's here. He's there. So it can be detrimental. You don't need money. You need the ability to provoke emotion. Now, if you have money in the bank, that's a bit easier. It's a bit easier to provoke emotion if you can say, let's go Disneyland tomorrow. But it's not about the money. It's about the spontaneity. It's about for provoking the emotion. This is why girls like funny guys, because it makes them laugh. You know, it's provoking an emotion out of them. This is all it really is. I mean, cash makes that a bit easier, but I don't think women in the Western world anyway, in Eastern Europe is a bit different, but in the Western world, I don't think women really often in the club when they're about to bang a guy give a shit if he can provide security for their kids. I really don't think it crosses their mind whatsoever. I mean, I don't think
maybe not in that case, but what about for the long term? What about the girls who are on dating apps who are looking for their man, who are on the Match.coms and all that stuff, who are looking for a relationship? How does that work in that sense?
Yeah, there's this in the red pill Twitter. There's this view of women that they're ultra hypergamous and that they're going to chase the best they can get, et cetera, et cetera. In my experience, if a woman can see you have ambition and you're genuinely pushing hard, then she'll be fine. Now, what a woman doesn't want is a guy who's in X place and isn't trying to get anywhere else. But when I was a struggling fighter and I couldn't pay the rent, I was banging girls left, right, and center, and they were loving me and they were loyal to me.
Because why?
I think it's just because they could see I had drive and they saw I was a safe bet and I was going to get somewhere and they respected me. This is the basic dynamic of male females. If a woman respects you, she wants to have sex with you. It doesn't matter if a woman likes you. It doesn't matter if a woman, when I said earlier, women hate me. I have women who dislike me, but they respect me. And this is the thing. You see it all the time in relationships. Oh, me and my wife, we love each other, but we have problems in the bedroom. Yeah, because she loves you, but she doesn't respect you. She doesn't want to get fucked by a guy she doesn't respect. So how can you provoke respect from a woman? Well, money is one way of doing it because money provokes respect from the world. But they respected me anyway because I was a dedicated individual who tried very hard. I'm a smart guy. I had ambition. I was in good shape. They already respected me. If a woman respects you, it's fine. So this is what your number one goal is. If you're saying, how do I get women to like me? Forget like. Women don't need to like you. Women don't even need to love you. If women respect you, they'll have sex with you.
We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or would like to see more content like this, be sure to leave a comment and let us know.